Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston, which is probably the oldest city in Jamaica. It gained popularity after the the Port Royal earthquake. After the earthquake destroyed Port Royal, Kingston became the center of activity in Jamaica, and it soon became the capital of Jamaica. So this is probably the oldest city. It is the oldest city in Jamaica. Now, downtown Kingston is in the parish of Kingston. A lot of persons mix up the parish of Kingston with the city of Kingston. So before we get into it, we are on Harbour Street driving towards driving through the city of Kingston towards South Camp Road. Okay, so the parish of Kingston includes downtown Kingston, where we are, and Port Royal. That's the parish of Kingston. And that parish has a population of about 100,000 people. So remember, downtown Kingston and Port Royal. Now the city of Kingston includes parts of the parish of Kingston and parts of the parish of St. Andrew. So halfway tree is the capital of the parish of St. Andrew, but it's also located in the city of Kingston. Now the city of Kingston has a population of 1 million people. So persons often mix it up. So that is the difference. The city of Kingston includes the parish of St. Andrew and includes the parish of Kingston, parts of both parishes, while the parish of Kingston is downtown Kingston and Port Royal. So persons often just say Kingston, and it's kind of confusing sometimes, but people just, for simplicity's sake, say Kingston. And then you have New Kingston and you have downtown Kingston. So that's just the difference. Alright, so we're going to drive onto Port Royal Street now and head back into downtown Kingston. You also have Central Kingston, West Kingston, East Kingston, but that has more to do with the zoning of the city of Kingston. Alright, so on the left is the Kingston Harbour. You can actually see the tower for the Norman Manley International Airport. And this road was recently renovated, very nicely done. A boardwalk was built. And there you have a very nice view of the city of Kingston, or downtown Kingston, I should say. And some of these buildings were recently built. A lot of progress is going on in downtown Kingston. So on the right is the new Grace Kennedy building that has a 100 on it, because Grace Kennedy is celebrating 100 years in Jamaica. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building is that massive building straight ahead. Very nice building, recently built. And I must say, this is a model for which all government agencies should have a building. Every government agency or major ministry in Jamaica should have a building that looks like that. One, it will help cut down costs because you don't have to have branches in 5-6 different places. You just have one building with all the facilities. Okay, so that building now on the left, that's the Scotia Centre. That's the second tallest building in Jamaica. That's the one with the dark glass. And on the right is the Air Jamaica building, and that's the symbol of the lovebird, which is the symbol of Air Jamaica. Air Jamaica used to be the national airline of Jamaica, but it no longer flies. And it was one of the best airlines to ever fly. Alright, so we're on Port Royal Street. At this intersection is Duke Street. If we turn right, we'd go on to Duke Street. And remember, downtown Kingston has a lot of one ways, so you can only turn right at this intersection. Somebody burning some garbage over there. And in Jamaica, it's against the law to burn garbage like that. Alright, we just passed over the intersection with King Street. Yeah, this is the intersection with Princess Street. Alright, we're now turning on to Ocean Boulevard, and on Ocean Boulevard you're going to find some of the nicest real estate in Jamaica, and also some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica, because this road, Ocean Boulevard, it runs along the side of the Kingston Harbour. So this is why we say it's prime real estate, because you're overlooking the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. Very nice view, and so you're going to find a lot of buildings and prime real estate. So that's the Kingston Harbour over there on the right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.